Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Travel Soul. I'm with you once again with the new track review, and I'm quite excited today. As you can see, we have a GoPro Hero9 Black, which is the newest model, and it's better than Hero 8, and it has many new features. Those includes a front screen, which was not available in Hero 8, and with 30% more battery life and 5K video live streaming and 20 megapixel camera. A new webcam feature is also available in Hero9 Black. So without any further ado, let's just unbox it and let's see what are the features. Let me show you the box from the sides, how it look like. We have a box, C cable, battery, camera, and some accessories. You can connect GoPro with your mobile app, Apple or Android, whatever you have, and then you can control a lot of features are there. So it is hyper smooth 3.0. You have webcam mode, super photo plus HDR, time lapse 3.0, slow motion up to 8x, 33 feet underwater, 20 megapixel, 5K videos plus 4K, voice control, data overlays, 1080p live streaming, raw files, and touchscreen. Those are some features, and in this video mainly we are gonna focus on unboxing and initial setup, and in our next video we are going to have an in-depth review. So without any further ado, let's just open it. So with this purchase, I got an extra battery, this one, and a 64 GB card, memory card. So this is the seal. I really like their packing, and especially the case, the GoPro case. I love that. This is how you will do the initial setup. These are some GoPro stickers came along. Guide, and inside, as you can see, we got GoPro Hero9 Black C cable, which you can use while charging, and okay, we got a mount, a thumb screw, and a buckle mount, curvy buckle mount, battery. As per GoPro, it has 30% more. Let's check out the camera. Let's take out this security seal. The screen is wider and it's a touch screen. This is the power mode button. You need to press it to switch it on, and then you can change modes, either videos or pictures, and then you have to press it to turn it off. And another button is here. This also you can use while taking your pictures or videos. And you have front screen. This gives you flexibility to have front view like a selfie. This is something new in this model. And this lens is also removable. If you like to remove, you can remove this lens as well. Now let's just check it out. Another amazing feature in this GoPro are these built-in mounts, and which gives you flexibility to use with so many different accessories. You can attach this to your head strap, your body strap, wrist strap while biking, hiking, trekking. This gives you a lot of options. That's an amazing feature with GoPro. Now let's check out the battery compartment and memory card. Both goes in the same place, so you need to press it down, put some pressure, and push little bit harder, and then same time it will come out like this. And from this side, if it will come out, then don't be worried, you can just fix it back. You can see the main compartment is for battery, and this right side where the memory card goes. So now let's just insert the battery inside, and make sure to charge it fully before you use first time your GoPro. And at the second step, you have to update your software, which is recommended by GoPro. And in order to do that, you have to pair your GoPro with your mobile app. Okay, we have 64 gigabyte memory card. It's SanDisk Extreme, and it's recommended by GoPro. So the graphics side would stay along the battery side. That's the catch. And then you just need to insert it and just try to push with your nail. This is the point for charging, where you connect your C cable, or else if you need to transfer your data, you can use this. It's highly recommended to have multiple batteries and a dual charger on the go to shoot your continuous videos. You need to just press it, and here you go. Now we are ready to switch it on for the first time. Let's just test it out. There you go. Legal stuff. You have to agree, and it's asking about GPS. Turn on to tag your footage with location, speed. Okay, let's say turn on for now. And now it says install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on to follow the app instructions. Okay, at this point now we need to connect our app along with this GoPro. Okay, after you install GoPro app, yes, I have a GoPro. Pair my GoPro. GoPro would like to use Bluetooth. Okay. It's searching for GoPro. We found your GoPro. Let's get started and connect to GoPro to your iPhone. Connect camera. Again, it's asking to pair. Just pair it. Okay, it's connected. Camera name is Hero9 Black. Save that name. Okay. So it's asking camera update available. Your GoPro is almost ready. Update your camera software to get the latest Hero9 feature. As I told you, this is recommended by GoPro, so we must do it to avoid some bugs. So let's update camera. Hero9 Black update version 1.6 has number of performance improvements, so let's just do it. Accept and continue. Transferring files to camera. Do not leave the app. Your GoPro will power off and on a few times. When update is complete, your camera screen will turn to normal. Okay, update has been completed. All set. Done. Let's go. Your Hero9 is ready. It's connecting. Control your GoPro from your iPhone. Just give it a try. Enable preview. We will connect the GoPro Wi-Fi to enable. Continue. Trying. and all set. Now you can see we have the same preview on our iPhone screen. So this gives you flexibility when you are using your GoPro with the selfie stick or with your head strap, and there you are not able to see the screen of GoPro. Those scenarios, it gives you flexibility. You can have the mirror view on your phone device, and it's really helpful. So this was the initial setup and unboxing of GoPro. We hope you like it, and in my next video I am going to show you detailed feature, and in another video we are going to explore different accessories. Once I press the stop button, it started video recording. You can see 86% battery. If I press again, it stopped. And if you press it again, it started recording again. Let's just switch between different modes from the side button. Okay, it's photo mode now. I'm gonna press the top button again. Okay. Wide angle, it's currently wide angle. You can change to linear and narrow. I would go with the linear. Those are your output photo options. Day timer, 3 seconds, 10 seconds. And you can swipe on the screen as well. And if you need to turn it off, you have to keep holding this side button until it turned off. Powering off. And here you go. So this was the initial setup and unboxing of GoPro Hero9. In our next video, we will explore it further. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to Tech and Travel Soul in order to get more tech and travel related videos. And I would like to thank subscribers. In my next video, I'm gonna explore action camera accessory kit. As you can see, there are a lot of accessories which we can use along with this GoPro Hero9, and we are going to unbox all these and we are going to try it out. So stay tuned and hit a like and subscribe to Tech and Travel Soul. And until my next video, goodbye.